Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to turn on automatic site language redirection in Shopify. In today's digital world, where businesses aim to reach a global audience, making your online store accessible to people speaking different languages is crucial. Imagine a customer from Spain visiting your Shopify store and instantly seeing everything in their native language without having to change any settings. That's the magic of automatic site language redirection. It not only enhances the user experience but also helps in engaging a broader audience, making your visitors feel more at home. This feature ensures that your website automatically adapts to the language settings of each visitor's browser, which is particularly beneficial for businesses that operate across various regions or cater to a diverse audience. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to enable this handy feature on your Shopify store. First things first, you need to access your Shopify admin panel. Sign in with your credentials and once inside, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here, you'll find several options like Home, Orders, Products, and more. For the task at hand, you should click on the Online Store option. This will reveal a drop-down menu, presenting you with choices such as themes, blog posts, pages, and others. However, the option you need to focus on is Preferences. Clicking on this will take you to a crucial settings page where you can tweak foundational aspects of your store to enhance the customer experience. Once you are in the Preferences section, scroll down patiently until you find the area labeled Automatic Redirection. This section is dedicated to managing how your site interacts with visitors based on their browser settings. It's like a backstage manager ensuring that every visitor sees the site in their preferred language without any hassle. Within this section, you will encounter an option to enable language redirection. Typically, this is presented as a simple toggle or checkbox. Don't hesitate to enable it. Once turned on, Shopify will take care of the rest, automatically detecting the visitor's browser language settings and redirecting them to the corresponding language version of your site. And just like that, you've successfully set up automatic site language redirection. This feature quietly works behind the scenes to improve the overall user experience, potentially boosting engagement and conversion rates. Remember, offering a multilingual experience can be a significant competitive advantage, especially if you are aiming for international markets or diverse communities. By following these steps, you've made your Shopify store more welcoming and accessible to a global audience. That's it for this tutorial on how to turn on automatic site language redirection in Shopify. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.